Locals Only, supporting the spirit of the Circle City. Sponsored by Collective Alternative.
Well, we are still in winter, but so many of us are already thinking spring. But with spring also comes that potential for some damage as well when it comes to the weather out there. So here to help, we have Josh Smalling with Josh Smalling Roofing and Restoration. Josh, it's all about being protected, right? You say that is the first step because March/April, May, it's going to be here before we know it.
It will be. It will be. Being protected is very important.
And you mentioned the different policies, right? Homeowners insurance policies, that's where it begins.
It is. It is. As a homeowner, we need to make for sure that we've got a replacement cost policy. And there's new building codes that have went into effect here recently. There's law and ordinance coverage underneath the replacement cost policies that we need to make for sure that we've got in place in case we do endure a claim.
Let me dive a little deeper into that because you say there is a difference between the RCV and ACV policy. For me, it sounds like foreign language, but for someone like you understand it. Break it down for me.
So an RCV policy is a replacement cost policy. So something happens today, tomorrow, whenever, and you have to file a claim, the insurance company is going to take care of you and make for sure that they get you back to pre-loss condition.
Okay.
Under an ACV policy, that stands for actual cash value. That's going to be a depreciated policy. So they're going to pay a portion of it, but you're going to be responsible for the rest of it.
Okay.
And that's broken down on age and different factors that the carriers use. They all have their own guidelines to break that down, but it would be important to have a RCV policy.
Well, let's get to the heart of some of this because I know, a lot of that is gibberish to so many of us, but I think at the end of the day, we just want to feel like someone's got our back, right?
Sure.
That we feel protected and somebody cares. Tell me what makes you so different.
Well, I really like digging deep in these things. I really like to help the homeowner. If the damage is there, we want to make for sure that we do everything in our power within the bounds of the law to assess the amount of loss.
Yeah, you say you're not a door knocker. You're going to do what you have to do when they need it.
Yes.
Right?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, Josh, tell me about, I don't know, it's almost like a kit on wheels, right? Of everything that people need in case of an emergency.
It is. Over the years, running the emergency response stuff after hours, hardware stores aren't open, so it's important to have those things on hand so that way when trouble comes for the client, we're able to get a good response time.
All right, so really these guys on call 24/7, so if you need something, give them a call, let them know. You can also visit their website at jdsbuilds.com.
Discover more at wishtv.com/locals only.